Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Blockstack coin. And this coin has a really very big event on 30th of September. As if we visit the coinmarketcap.com, then this announcement was added on 12th of May, and this is confirmed by the official representatives and also significant and as a major event, hot event on the CoinMarketCap and on the different sites as well. For example, let me to tell you that this announcement was already in their roadmap as well, but when this was added on the CoinMarketCap and on the different websites, then we can see the major effects of this event on the price action and the market cap of Blockstack. For example, if we visit this CoinMarketCap, then on 12th of May, when this announcement was added, the market cap of Blockstack was 42.8 million, and now it is at $90 million. You can see that it is increased by more than 100%. And if we visit the live chart, and this is the daily chart, then this is the 12th of May when the announcement was added, and this is the 12th of May, and after that the price action has rallied more than 85%, and the price action is not hitting the support of this channel. It is moving on the daily chart on this parallel channel, but since we have this announcement added on the different sides, especially on the CoinMarketCap, the price action is not hitting the support. I have also placed this volume profile and the moon phases indicator, and now we can see that the trader's interest, that the volume profile of the complete price action moving within this channel is up to this level, that is above the support. That is a really very clear indication that it will be difficult for the price line to move up to this support now. And we have the trader's interest from the upside up to this resistance of the channel, so the price action can move from this resistance of the channel up to this level where we have the trader's interest, and after that between this area from the support up to this level, we have really very weak interest of the trader. Therefore, it will be difficult for the price line to move in this level. And we can see that the point of control of this volume profile is also moved up just very close to this resistance of this channel. And now if we want the moon phases indicator, then we have the recent moon, the full moon appeared at this level, that is showing that it will be easy for the price line to break out the resistance of this channel, and the dark moon, the bearish moon, is appeared above the support, that is showing it will be difficult for the price line to break down this level or move down than this level of dark moon. For example, let me take you to the T-Fuel chart. When it produced more than 1200% rally, it also showed almost kind of same signals like we are having here. For example, this is the T-Fuel chart, this is the 2-day chart when the price line was moving within this down channel. Now I'm placing the volume profile on the complete price action moving within this channel, like I have placed on the STX price action. Now we can see that the trader's interest was up to here. That was, you can see from the downside, the trader's interest even moved above the resistance of this channel. I'm just placing this trend line here so it will be easy for you to understand. This is from the downside, we have the trader's interest, and same as like that, we have the trader's interest moved above this support of the channel. Therefore, we can expect that it will be moved more up very soon, and the price action moved up. You can see here, bang, and the price line of T-Fuel rallied more than 1200%. So same kind of move we can expect here, that the price action did not touch the support, and this volume profile is moved above the support of this parallel channel. We are also having this dark moon appeared above this support, and the new full moon appeared above this resistance level. So we can expect such kind of move again within next month or maybe next 2 months before the mainnet launch. And now I would like to show you on the same daily chart the simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100, and 200. And we have a complete open alligator mouth formation by these simple moving averages. We have the smallest time period moving average above all, then we have the bigger one, then we have 100, and the biggest time period moving average below all these simple moving averages. So this is a really very powerful bullish signal, and now these price actions, these moving averages can lift the price action in a parabolic way, as we have seen in the case of T-Fuel and the Theta as well. And there is also a possibility that the price action will be moved down up to this recent available simple moving average, that is a 25, to have some support. And after this correction rally, the price action can move up more and try to break out the resistance of the channel, or maybe the 25 simple moving average will be moved up to provide the support as it is providing here. And before that, the price action was using the support of 200 and 100 simple moving averages. So this was the update by the price action of STX, Blockstack. If I'll have more updates about the Blockstack coin, I'll definitely share with you. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel, and do share my videos as well. Take care. Goodbye.